Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection.
And today I'm playing with this Seat 600. And I absolutely love this car. Why? Because it was my dad's first car. We've had a lot of adventures and it took us everywhere. So it means a lot to me. And I've been searching for a casting to do, and finally I decided to go for this one. And it's got a lot of detail. So at the end of the day, I didn't have to do much work on it. Mainly just a paint job and sort the windows out. So let's do it. There's two screws holding the chassis, and that makes the things a lot easier. The wheels are just holding by pressure, so again, nothing to do here, and they're new as well. I'm a bit disappointed with the interior because I wanted to do a lot of detail, but it's very generic and it doesn't look like the original at all. But at least I'm gonna paint it the color it was. I'm gonna try to remove the paint from the windows with a bit of acetone, and if I can't, I'll have to make my own. The dashboard is actually a different piece. Now I just need to remove all the small parts, and it's got a lot of them. It's all the bumpers, the lights, the indicators, door handles, everything. So I hope I'm not losing any parts.
I'll be back.
I'm back and I found it. That was very, very lucky. The detail on this casting is really good. It's even got the wipers. There's only one of the glass panels that goes on the front door, and I think it's actually broken, so I think I'm gonna have to fabricate both. Well, it took me a while to take all the parts, but I think it's ready now for stripping. I'm doing 2 bits as well, so this will save me a bit of time. I'm removing the paint from the windows with a bit of acetone, and it's coming off really easy, but it's leaving the glass a bit cloudy, so I'll be making my own later on. After a bit of sanding and polishing, it's ready for primer and paint. My dad's car was blue, so blue it is. Now I just need to put all those little parts again. And like I said before, there's loads of them. So I'm gonna start with the bumpers. Now I just need to put everything else. As you can see, after removing the paint, the windows are a bit cloudy, so I'm just making my own out of a bit of clear plastic. It looks good. I've already done the other one as well. And now I just need to recycle all the parts from the original window that I still need. Now I just need to do the windows on the front doors, lose the footage, and it's ready for assembly. So it's ready now, but let me show you first the windows. I've used some paper clips and the same clear plastic, and I left the windows halfway down, so it gives you a bit more of the detail. I only have to put some new registration plates and it's done. So there you go, my dad's first car, and I absolutely love it. We've had so many good times in this car. Those were actually the registration plates on my dad's car, so I'm using the same number because I still can't remember. And that's the end for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications. Thanks a lot for watching, you wonderful people, and I'll see you next week with something else. Have a good day.